Hey guys, it is me, EpicNet Coding, and I'm showing you a tutorial of Scratch episode 2. So in the last episode, we just set up some basic scripts for our Mr. Stickman to move, and we got some costumes for him, which are right here. Now in this episode, we are going to start making animations. So basically what I want to do is first I'm gonna work on this background. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a sidewalk, street like down here. Oh, street down here, like that, and then add yeah, a street. That street doesn't look so good though. I'm gonna make it bigger. There we go. And I'm gonna put some dotted lines. That's what every street has. That's a little too light. That's a little too dark. No, darker. There. Okay. So I'm gonna have these. No, you have to stay there. Stay there. Okay. Now I'm gonna have these. I am just gonna simply click and drag to make these dotted lines that are in the street. I'm going to select and paste. It's easier. Oh, but there's no time for that. So this isn't gonna take a long time, so if you just stay here and watch, it'll be fine. But right now, this looks very bad. It's okay. It's gonna look bad. This is life. Life is bad looking in comics and stuff. Okay. This is very not even. Just the yellow against like all light colors is really hard to see. And they all look bent and stuff. It's so weird. The baby's confused. Okay, now since we have the street done, it doesn't really matter. I'm just like making the backgrounds. I'm gonna make it so sky is gonna be blue. This type of blue. This type of blue, yes. That looks good. No, it doesn't. This looks like a better blue. And I'm gonna have just some clouds. Some clouds. Clouds, Clouds, oh yeah. I mean, clouds are very easy to make with circles. Like these. And just one more circle. And then you'll see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna select and copy. Whoa, la la la. And now I'm just gonna make it like this, and this, and this, and this, and this. No, that's the same. And I'm just gonna add one more circle to it so no one gets suspicious about if it's even. And there we go. Good enough. Those are what I call clouds. No. Yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna get started on the animation for Mr. Stick. Well, okay. So we know that he stays like this. So if we put him down, more downwards, and we start the game, he'll be like this, like And I want in the next episode, I want to make it so when he goes to this side of the screen, he goes somewhere, and when he goes to this side of the screen, he goes to another place. But right now, we're gonna work on the animation. Oops, no. And Scratch automatically saves changes to your project, so don't be like scared that you like exited and it didn't save. It usually always saves. Usually. So now, this. If we have a duplicate costume 4. I think, yeah, costume 4 is costume 3, costume 4. Okay. So I want costume 4 to have just these things switched around, sort of. Except I want the, like, okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to make the eraser bigger, like this. And I'm going to erase this arm and the other arm. It's okay if I erase some of his body, because I'm just gonna, he's gonna grow it back. Okay. I have to be very careful not to erase like so much. And okay, now we're just gonna get started. First on the legs. First is the legs. It's gonna be a black color. That's a good size. And now I'm gonna have this like, oh no, that's too straight. Too straight to be arms. Doesn't work like that. Okay. Those are one side of arms. These are the other arms. Those are huge arms compared to the others. No, no, no. Huge, huge. Too big. Okay, let's restart the arms. This time smaller. Like this. 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 Now the legs will be like this, 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 this. This one leg is too bent, way too bent. Okay. So making the character is a kind of boring part. Duh. That's horrible looking. Okay. So costume 4, costume 3, that's less confusing. So let's go back to the scripts. So I want to actually back to costumes. Start like this. Okay, scripts. Now I want it so switch to costume 2. And switch to costume 2. We're gonna have switch to costume 2, and I'm gonna repeat the biggest number that I can think of, or just that's okay. That's good enough. Okay. Okay. And then we're gonna do looks. Switch to costume 4. Switch to costume 4, which is right here. So now I don't know if it will work. Oh, yeah. Need to move 10 steps. No. What are you doing? No. No. You don't do it like that. Come back. Come back to me. Come back. You almost lost him there. When right arrow key pressed, move 10 steps. That's what I'm pressing, but it's not moving. Oops. So no, I don't want him. I don't want to lose him again. That'd be horrible. I want to right arrow key to switch to costume 3 and 4. Will that work? No. I think I'm doing this wrong. Maybe I have to put it all in. Oh, that just looks weird. It looks unorganized. So I'm going to get rid of this 9, this really big number. Come on, get rid of it. Okay. Delete. No, you're supposed to delete. What are you doing? Delete. Not duplicate. Delete. I'll be right back with you guys with the solution. Okay. Okay, so guys, I got the problem fixed. So what I had to do, I just had to put the script in again with it, and I had to separate it. So when I do the right key, this happens. And now it doesn't look the best. So next episode, I will, or we will, do a left side animation and make the guys running look more like running instead of hovering over the street. So I will see you guys in the next video. This is me, Epic Net Coding, signing out. Bye bye.